Hi, welcome to Chef from all around the world. Today I'm thrilled to introduce the charcoal ovens, a blend of modern designs and ancient cooking techniques. Let's start with the dimensions. These ovens measure 706 mm long, 614 mm deep, and 1115 high. It features external oil and aged cheese. The oil collects on the left side, while the age is neatly contained on the right. The external temperature displays allow you to easily monitor. The working temperature can reach 600 Celsius. The chimney vents smoke outside, keeping your kitchen clean and free from excess smoke, so you can cook comfortably without worrying about the air quality. Now let's take a look inside. It equips 6 adjustable cooking ranks, offering flexible for all kinds of dishes, from meat to vegetable to poultry. Made from premium stainless steel and cast iron, this oven is designed to withstand high heat and last for years. It's perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, bistros, or steakhouse. Do you want to know the price? Drop a comment or message me on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing products. I'm Karina. See you next time.